When answering FR AOs, you learn you need to write according to ASPE or according to IFRS, then put the criteria and say met or not met. I often get a question from students for audit AOs. You need to do the same thing and say according to CAS and give the specific CAS standard. The answer is it depends. Let's think about the most common audit AOs. Audit planning memo, procedures, control deficiencies. Have you ever written procedures and wrote according to CAS the procedure should be this? What about WIR? Have you ever written according to CAS the control deficiency should be this? No, we don't do that. So for the most common audit AOs, we don't put the CAS standard or say according to CAS. You just put the template and answer it. For non-routine, uncommon AOs, you should write the CAS standard. For example, key audit matters, fraud, going concern, communication with the auditor, and so on. For this, you should write the CAS standard and the relevant sections from the CAS. Another exception is special reports. I consider this common AOs, but although it's common, it still requires writing the CAS standards. For example, CAS 805, CSA 3530, 3531, or CSRS 4400, and so on. You must put the CAS number to identify the special report. You can find a full list of special reports in a blog post I wrote. It's linked in the description below. A good study strategy for these uncommon AOs is to study the related CAS standard. Unfortunately, the ebook doesn't really divide its chapters per CAS standard. It's divided into the audit planning phases. If you want to understand these CAS standards inside out so that you're fully prepared for the audit AOs, I prepared CAS summary notes. These summarize all relevant CAS standards, especially the special reports. They explain what is the difference between them and which one you're supposed to use. I also have review procedures in case you get a review planning memo, which does come up on assurance and CFE exams. This study toolkit is also linked in the description below. So in summary, for common AOs, don't put CAS. For uncommon AOs, put CAS. Hope you found this helpful. I'll see you next time.